modification on this one of just crossing at the ankle. So if they can't do that one, just cross at the ankle, head to knee, and head to foot. And then same thing on the other side. I'm going to do the more advanced, foot all the way over. There's that bone on the outside, head to knee, and then head to foot. Remember, holding each one of these stretches for 30 seconds. Next, we have the hamstring stretch. So this knee is bent in, this leg is out. Start with a slight bend in the knee in order to make sure that the back of the knee isn't pulled into the exercise if the hamstrings are too tight. And then eventually, if you feel like this isn't much of a stretch, then you can straighten the knee out. So hamstring stretch, single leg, and then the other leg, single leg, and then doubles, two leg here. And then transitioning into quadricep stretch. So this one, laying face down, grab the one ankle, knees are together, chest faces down, push the hips down flat, deeper version of a quadricep stretch. And then from here, take the foot, rotate the foot out and in, as much as the knee allows. If the knee doesn't allow this range, then just back it off back to center. There is an option to just switch legs here and do the other leg, or you can just add the second leg if you can do this. So you can add two legs here and then just do the external rotation on the left is going to pull some hip flexor into the stretch. Then from here, we're going to go hands next to the chest, come up, chest sticks out, look up. So stretching of the psoas muscle here and the stomach muscle is very good stretch for the low back. Drop the right hip in, stretches the right psoas muscle, the right side of the front psoas. That's the only way to stretch it is from the front. Left hip in, left psoas. And we're going to go hands and knees, tabletop position to cat-cow, rounding out of the back. And then the other way, chest out, head up. Then this one, push the chest out, blow the air out. And then again, rounding out of the back. And then chest out, head up. So generally of the cat-cow, I do a minimum of 3 cat-cows. So cat-cow 1, cat-cow 2, cat-cow 3, and so on. Then from here, you can do a lunge stretch. These ones take a little more balance. So lunge stretch. Generally, I'll put the arm in the center, hip flexor stretch here, or inner thigh and hamstring stretch. And you can also transition this to be a little more advanced. And this one you can also do standing as well, but we'll get into that later. Good.